Regular viewers to my channel will be aware that I like to document everything that I do. So when I start a new project, I will normally start a GitHub repository. So this is version 1 of the sketch, and this is possibly going to get some changes in the future, but it's a good work in progress and allowing me to do more things. So to be able to follow along with this series, you're going to need to go to the Arduino library manager, and in this case I'm using version 2.3.3 of the IDE. If you go to the library manager, which is here, and type in OpenLCB, you'll see we have here the OpenLCB single thread by David, Harris and Bob. So you need to install this, and at the moment it's currently at version 0.1.0. And once you've done this, you can go up to here, File, Examples, and if you scroll down, you'll see OpenLC single thread, and this is the sketch that David Harris has created for me. But if you try to run this, there is some gotchas because this was just the test version of the sketch. So this is the GitHub repository I have created for the Arduino LCC journey. And here you can see the version 1, which is my code. To assist people along the way if they wish to follow this journey, I use the wiki up here to do the documentation, because I feel this helps a lot better with what we're trying to do than trying to use the README files that are normally used by people. And at the moment it's early stages. I've got the hardware that I use, so the Arduinos and the likes of that, the CAN module, and also this bit here. So it's all being documented as I go along. Obviously this is the situation I'm in for the connecting of the peripherals, so LEDs and buttons. And then here I've got some of the code that you will need to change if you're going to adopt this system, because we need to have unique ID numbers for the nodes, and we do have to do some work on the reset of the EEPROM part of the sketch. So here is the website for OpenLCB. Now, one of the things I have done is I have obtained the unique ID range. Now, to keep within the LCC standard, I felt this was needed, because even though I'm never going to sell units, I want to stay as much within the standards that have been set out for this within the MMRA. So you could request your own unique ID range if you wished. As I say, I have done this, so that's why you're seeing mine is related to a 5 number. So it's been assigned specifically for my use. This does allow me to have an address of up to 255 different module numbers. So if you go into here and open this, here you've got the file. So what I tend to do is I will bring this down, highlight all the code, down to here, Control C, then I'll go into the one that we downloaded using the file examples, click here, Control A, press delete, then press Control V, and then compile, and you've now got the working version of my code on your Arduino folder. So in the next video I will show you how you configure the node, so when pressing the button the servo moves as you see here.